Disclaimer. This is not an unboxing video, this is a feature review. I will go through the features. My videos are short, and reviews are crisp, to the point, filled with quality and complete information. Don't forget to subscribe. So without much delay, let's get started. Let's review Apple iPhone SE, 2nd generation 128GB. If you don't need some of the bells and whistles, it is a great phone. It was seamless to set up with my carrier, and with Apple. The size is nice, if you wanted to put it in a pocket. Best gift for your loved ones for the price. This phone is a good bargain for upgrading, or as a gift that don't make your wallet sad. Everything, from banking apps, to email, loads pretty much immediately. Nowadays there is a need to wear masks in public. The ability to unlock the phone with my thumb versus removing my mask and using facial recognition, is great. The phone is fast with the A13 processor, and ton of storage with 128GB, camera is amazing. Fits perfectly and comfortably in my hand, has plenty of memory, was super easy to set up, literally just put my other phone next to it. And followed the prompts, and all my data transferred. I like the wireless charging. It has a lot of the features of the near phones, but the size is more my style. I dropped it once onto hard surface, and it sustained no apparent damage. Not confident that 5G will happen that soon. I am very happy with the upgrade. The fingerprint recognition is much faster and more responsive. This was priced right, great features, and should be good for another 5 years. I couldn't be happier with this phone. 128GB storage is plenty for a lot of apps, music, and photos. The price is fair, and I couldn't be more impressed with the battery life, and fast reaction between apps. Has the home button, but no headphone jack. The screen is clear and crisp, easy to read in any light. This version of the iPhone is great for users who want the latest technology, but at a smaller size. This phone has all the great Apple features, at half the price. Compact and powerful design. If you want a device that's not as large as a notebook and still powerful, this it. This works as advertised and still works. There are few links that has been provided in the YouTube description box. This include discounts, as well as unique products that you cannot come across in Google search. I earn a small commission. If you buy anything from that link, please buy me a beer. If you have any clarification, comment below the video. I will try my best to clear your doubts. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you like my video, please subscribe, and click on the bell icon, so that you will get my new videos. Also don't forget to hit on like button. Thanks for watching. You are listening to Jason Peter, signing off.